Okay, we introduce a unique kind of a card or a concept, which is called the energy card. It's something that we thought of as a daily pill or a daily aid to provide you your dose of energy every day. Okay, the concept is this: that a child, all these children, their parents are programming the child to make them good human beings. So basically, instilling values and this and that, and हम जिसे संस्कार कहते हैं, right? Upbringing. What is upbringing? In terms of metaphysics, it's basically programming that child so that आगे चल के वो ऐसा बनेगा. तो माँ बाप कहते हैं कि मेरा बेटा तो ऐसा कभी नहीं बोलेगा, मेरा बेटा ऐसे ही बोलेगा. There is a certain surety that the parent feels towards the child because the programming has been fed right. That means everything can be programmed. Anything can be programmed. Anything is chargeable. The degree of charge varies depending on what kind of charge you've put, the quality of that object, and the intention that you have placed on it. And that charge will work for you. So if you have water at home, instead of just drinking it like this, just keep your palms around it. Just say, may this water heal me. That's a charge. You know, you are praying to an idol or a book. What are you doing? You're just charging that object. So same thing here. We thought of creating a card, okay, with a symbol which is psychically or intuitively thought about. We thought of a Celtic symbol. I meditated, a couple of my colleagues meditated, and we came across a symbol which is a spiral symbol. This is what we got in our meditation. And in the internet, we searched for Celtic symbols, and there was a spiral symbol, which was there exactly the way we had visualized without knowing that there is some symbol already existing like this. So we thought this is a good symbol, and we kept the word Tatastu, which in Sanskrit is so be it, or Amen, right? And this is the card which, on the back side, we kept the Connecticut logo. And we charged this card with Reiki. How many people know Reiki here? Okay, so you would understand exactly what I'm trying to say. We charge this card with a base charge, which means that everybody who takes this card, what you need to do is you take this card and keep it in your puja sthal. Okay? That is your high energy zone in the house. You keep it there. It's a rechargeable card. Next day when you're going for work or you're going for an exam, you're going for whatever outing, and you want that job to be done well, you just take that card and just say a silent prayer saying that may this job or may my meeting go well. You are charging over our charge, okay? And you keep it in your book, keep it in your bag, wherever you want it, just take it along with you and see how it works for you. Just observe if the meeting is going on well, if the compliments are coming, if the taxi is on time, if the signals are turning green. Watch for these symptoms, watch for these signals, and you'll know that the card is working. Work with it for a week or 10 days and see what happens. Okay, this is what we thought of as a daily rechargeable card. It's like a mobile. You have to keep charging the mobile, right? Recharging the mobile. And it works for you. So similarly, we thought of this card.